Hey everybody, this is Bill, and welcome to the channel. Today we are talking about stock market investing, where an emerging market seems poised to open. Yes, in this video we will dive into a somewhat controversial topic, cannabis. It certainly appears that we are on the precipice of the legalization of cannabis across the country, and given the enormous opportunities that exist in the total addressable market of cannabis, I wanted to initiate some exposure. Although I do not view cannabis for personal use favorably, I have no issues for those who do, and fully understand the positive side of the legalization position. So with that in mind, I set about to find some stocks that fit my self-imposed criteria, allowing me to participate in this market. The first stock I initiated a position in was Evogene, an AI computational biology company which trades on the NASDAQ under the symbol EVGN. The second stock I took a position in is Innovative Industrial Properties, a real estate investment trust which trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol IIPR and describes itself as a leading provider of real estate capital for the medical use cannabis industry. I'll present links to these videos below in the description for your review. The third stock in this four-part series that I invested in that we will discuss in today's video is Enveric Biosciences, described as extending and enhancing life for patients in need. The stock trades on the NASDAQ under the symbol ENVB. Where does Enveric Biosciences fit in with respect to the cannabis industry? Well, according to the Naples, Florida-based company website, Enveric Biosciences has set out with the goal of rigorously testing natural compounds, starting with cannabinoids, to provide patients and clinicians with novel prescription medicines to serve those unmet medical needs. The company website further states that as a focused support care company, Enveric Biosciences leverages innovative clinical developments derived from cannabinoids and taps into its global network of scientists and oncology physicians. Enveric Biosciences seeks to advance novel combinations of CBD with chemotherapeutic agents and immunotherapies. Preclinical data suggests combination therapies may improve the activity of certain chemotherapies or cancer immunotherapies, potentially enabling more potent and long-lasting therapeutic effects. Additionally, Enveric Biosciences has licensed the exclusive global rights to a robust dataset and proprietary treatment database of naturally occurring cannabinoid derivatives as therapies for unmet medical needs in supportive care. Enveric Biosciences has a number of ways to win supportive care indications for cancer treatment side effects, initially focused on radiodermatitis and chemotherapy-induced peripheral neuropathy. Recently, Enveric Biosciences announced they received approval from Israel's Ministry of Health to begin its Phase 1 trial of triple combination CBD treatment for glioblastoma, which is a highly aggressive form of cancer with a very poor overall survival rate, particularly for those with recurrent GBM. Robert Wilkins, MD, Chief Medical Officer of Enveric Biosciences, stated, quote, "Our goal with this study is to enhance the existing treatment's efficacy through adding CBD to create a new standard of care, potentially improving and extending glioblastoma patients' quality of life," end quote. This is an exciting development for Enveric Biosciences as the company focuses on the unmet market opportunity to improve outcomes in at-risk patients. Adding to this excitement is the opportunity that exists within the work the company is doing with the incredibly underserved market of neuropathy. Additionally, the recent acquisition of Magic Med Industries gives the company exposure in the emerging and rapidly growing market in the psychedelic space, a new vision for mental health. These arenas provide potentially strong income stream opportunities moving forward for the company. Fundamentally, we note the company is debt-free with approximately 24 months of operating capital at this time. So if the pipeline results are as expected, the growth mechanism within the company is strong. TipRanks finds two analysts covering the stock who displayed a bullish perspective, arriving at a price target of $6. However, the SMART score was an underperformed 3, citing poor technical and fundamentals, and the TipRanks investor sentiment was very negative. In reviewing the data regarding the stock performance of the company, we noted that Enveric Biosciences is not at all highly rated in Investor's Business Daily proprietary ranking system. The IBD composite rating is a poor 14, with the earnings per share an even weaker 10. Only the accumulation rating of B- is considered bullish, within this proprietary scorecard. In reviewing the chart, we find Enveric Biosciences has been basing since about April. For the stock to move higher, we would need to see a break above approximately $3 with a high level of conviction displayed by very strong volume. Inflection points within the base attempting to push higher have been noted. There is a potential for such a move, and the stock is capable of reaching about $8 with any kind of positive catalyst. Given the success within the pipeline, reaching the old high of about $15 is certainly within reach. The company field of operation is strong and the future holds great potential. But folks, while there is wonderful promise with many avenues for Enveric Bioscience, there is no question this is a high-risk, high-reward stock. I bought in seeking a cannabis play. However, my initiated position was small, and I use money that I can afford to lose. If you are considering an investment in this company, please do your own deep dive investigating whether this speculative stock might fit within your investment criteria, and for sure I would recommend cutting any losses violating technical analysis rules that you may implement. But while past performance has not been optimal with respect to stock price action, this may present a potentially prosperous opportunity. I am underwater in my original position here. However, I continue to find the activities that this company is engaged in very exciting. Folks, drop us some comments with respect to your thoughts on Enveric Biosciences. We find it very intriguing and just really like the opportunity that is in front of the company. We certainly appreciate you watching. Thank you for your time, and keep an eye out for the final part of this series over the next couple weeks. But before we get out of here, on this day, we cannot conclude without congratulating Sir Richard Branson and the team over at Virgin Galactic for their tremendous launch success this morning. It pushed the range of inspiration and innovation. Cheers to all of you. Well, we would like to conclude by welcoming you to subscribe to our page, and do please smash that like button if you can to help us with the algorithm. Thank you again for your time, and we look forward to seeing you next time.